people I work with, and next month, I hit my 1-year anniversary. My wife has already found this incredible resort in Park City. We're going to take our first comp nights there. Over Valentine's. That's the 30th anniversary of our first date. Wait, I can't go. Base just called a code 2, red. It's a serious medical emergency.